20% discount applied. You are getting the domain completely free. First of all, you will find a link in the video description. Click on that link. Once you click the link, the Hostinger website will open on your screen. At the top of the page, click on Services. After that, you will see the option called Agency Hosting. Click on Agency Hosting. Now you will see a button called Claim Deal. Click on Claim Deal to continue. After clicking Claim Deal, you will see different agency hosting plans such as Starter, Professional and Growth. You can choose any plan according to your needs. However, I personally recommend at least the Professional plan because it gives you better resources and performance, especially if you want to manage multiple websites. Once you choose your plan, click on Choose Plan. Now you need to select the hosting duration, which means how long you want to purchase the hosting. You might see options like 1 month and 12 months. I recommend choose at least 12 months instead of just 1 month because you will get a much bigger discount and it always better to secure your hosting for a longer period. Now scroll down a little. Here you will see a domain search box. In the box you need to search for a unique domain name for your website. For example, I search acnary.com. As you can see, acnary.com is available, so I will select it. At first you might notice that a price appears for the domain. But don't worry, this usually happens because the period is set to 2 years. Simply change the domain period to 1 year. Once you select 1 year, you will see that the domain price becomes 0, which means you are getting the domain completely free. Now you can clearly see the current deal benefits, 20% discount applied and 1 year free domain. And remember that you get this deal when you purchase through the link in the description. Next, click on Continue. Now you need to create your Hostinger account. Here you will enter your Gmail address and create a strong password. After entering these details, click on Register Account. After that, Hostinger will ask for some basic details. Fill in the required information. Then choose your payment method and confirm your payment. Once your payment is completed, you will be automatically redirected to the Hostinger dashboard. And that's it. You have successfully purchased Hostinger agency hosting with a huge discount.